Hello, hi everybody. My name is Alessio and I'm here as a sommelier at la Dame de Pic, and today we're gonna make 5 of our signature cocktails. The first cocktail that we're gonna do today is gonna be a twist on a classic summery cocktail. It's Piña Colada. But we don't like to keep things classic. We like to twist them by being respectful of the original recipe of the cocktail. We did an infusion with rum and curry because we do love to have a little bit of a spice kick in our cocktail. And then regarding the pineapple, we have here a clarified pineapple juice. Then of course we're gonna have a little bit of citrus flavor to give balance to the cocktail. As you notice, Piña Colada is a cocktail that usually either you shake or you blend as a frozen, but I like the appearance and the elegance of the martini cocktail, so I like to put that almost in every cocktail that I do. We're gonna finish the cocktail with a few drops of coconut oil that has been cooked as well and infused with madras curry and kefir lime. I haven't thought about the name of the cocktail actually. Smoked Piña Colada. Here you are. It's done. Yeah, so the next cocktail that we're gonna do is gonna be a non-alcoholic cocktail. It's something that we actively do on the pairing as well. So it's basically a twist on a smash cocktail, but instead of using basil as the original recipe, we give it an extra twist and we're gonna use green shiso. And we're gonna add a beautiful tinge to it using matcha tea. Cucumber water or melon water. After we balance it out with a little bit of simple syrup and some acidity as well with lime juice. The leaves, we have 4. We're gonna smash them and put it inside. It's a very aromatic type of cocktail. I love the combination of flavor when it's down to the cucumber. There is this sense of savoriness but sweetness at the same time, and the spiciness that you get from the green shiso. There you are. And prepare the glass and the ice cubes. And we top up with ginger beer. There you are. This is the matcha and shiso. So the next cocktail that we're gonna do, it's one of my all-time favorite of summer cocktail, is a mojito. Beautiful long ice cubes. We're gonna place it inside. Put it down a little bit. 50 ml of the rum infused with mint oleo saccharum. Top up with soda water, as if you would do with a regular mojito. Gonna mix the ingredients together because they have different density, so it's very important. There's no mojito without mint, so we're gonna add as simple as that, have single mint leaf on the side as a garnish. Fast, simple, effective and fresh. We have our clarified mojito. So what we have next is non-alcoholic twist on one of the most famous French cocktail, is the French 75. So we have 20 ml of peach and herbs syrup. We're gonna top up with the spicy juice. So you have bell pepper, you have tomato, you have peach, you have red fruits, you have raspberry, strawberry, then you have the spicy part. First like this, we're gonna make sure that everything is dissolved in terms of syrup. And we top up again. Here you are. It's the spicy non-alcoholic French 75. So the next cocktail is one of our signature cocktail, one that has been on the menu for the longest, I'll say, and it's a twist on one of my favorite classic cocktail. It's a twist on gimlet. We start with the alcohol, and it's this beautiful gin that it's made for Anne-Sophie Pic. It's a very aromatic type of gin. There's a lot of botanicals inside, plus it has been washed with bee wax that gives this sense of silkiness, roundness on the palate. It makes it very unique. Then we're gonna add a little bit of bitter. We are with Super Cattivo. It's similar to Campari, but more aromatic. There's blood orange inside, different type of herbs that makes it very, very cool. We're gonna add our homemade lemon cordial as well. A little bit of Earl Grey tea, cold infused. Best bitter for the foam. And to recall the blood orange that we have in the bitter, a dried slice of orange as a garnish. Here we have our classic signature cocktail, the Marquise de Sévigné.